Hey, good morning, students. So, in the last two videos, we have studied the two important topics of the chapter, that is, gradient of the scalar field and the divergence of the vector field. Now, today we'll go for the third important topic, and that is the curl of vector field. Curl of vector field, or just I can say curl of the vector. Now, in order to understand this topic, that is the curl of the vector, let us consider a differential operator. Now, del bar is a differential operator that we have been studying in the complete chapter and the course. And what is the value of the del bar? Del bar is equals to I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z. So, this is the value of del bar, right? Now, one more thing that we need to consider here is a vector field. So, let us say V bar is a vector field, and let us say the component of the vector field are I bar into Vx plus j bar into Vy plus k bar into Vz. So, this is a vector field, and del bar is a differential operator. Then, if these two things are known to you, then we can make the definition of the curl of the vector is a cross product of a differential operator and the vector field. So, del bar cross V bar is called the curl of the vector. So, this is nothing but a curl. This is the definition of the curl of the vector, which is very simple, and it is also written as curl of V bar, right? So, this is the definition and the way of writing the curl of the vector. If this is the definition of the curl of the vector, then we can obtain the relation for the curl of the vector just by putting these two values into it. And curl of V bar, the del bar cross V bar is equals to, just do the normal cross product, then I will get it I cross into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z, and its cross product with I bar into Vx plus j bar into Vy plus k bar into Vz. Now you can do the cross product of these two. If the cross product of, you can do the cross product of these two, then you will get the next vector quantity, isn't it? So I can go in this way. So I cross I is equals to 0, right? So I cross I, the cross product vector with itself is a 0, right? And I cross j is equals to k, right? Of course, these are all vectors, so you should write it bars. This we have already studied in the earlier chapter, so hope you are remembering all these things. I need not to write it. You can go in a cyclic way, then you will get the next vector as a positive. If you go in an anti-clockwise direction, then you will get it in a negative vector, right? So I cross I is a 0, I cross j is a k bar. So I can say k bar into dou by dou x of Vy. Similarly, you can work out the next one plus j cross k. Now it is a reverse order, right? No, sorry, it is in a clockwise direction. J cross k is I bar. So this is I bar into dou by dou y of Vz plus. Similarly, sorry, I think we'll go in a sequential way. So I cross I 0, I cross j is k, and I cross k I need to consider. So I bar cross k bar, right? Ki is a regular order, I cross k is a reverse order. So this will give you minus j bar, right? So I can write minus times j bar into dou by dou x of Vz. Got it? Now work out the same thing for the middle term. So j cross k is again in a reverse order. So this should give you the negative term minus time k bar into dou by dou y of Vx. Right. Similarly, you take the product of this with this. So j cross j is a 0. Next is a j cross k is I and it is positive. So this is dou by dou y of Vz plus. Now the next term. Now k cross I. Right. K cross I is a regular order and hence this should give you a j bar into dou by dou z of Vx plus. Now k cross j. K cross j. K cross k is j. K cross j is again a reverse order. So negative times I bar, right, into dou by dou z of Vz. Dou by dou z. No. You are taking this product with this, no? So negative Vy, right? So this is Vy, and the last term you will get 0, right? So you got this one, and you can interpret the same thing in terms of the determinant, whose first row is your vectors I, j, and k bar, and the second row is the component of operator, differential operator, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the third row of the determinant is the coefficient of a vector field, right? That is Vx, Vy, and Vz, and you can recheck it. If you recheck, you should get these terms only. So I bar into dou y by dou z minus dou z by dou y, and from this term you can take out I common. So I is here and I is here. If you take out I common, so here you will get dou by dou y of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vy, right? So dou y by dou y dou y by dou y of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vy. You got the same term here, right? Similarly, the next term you will get minus time j bar into dou by dou x of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vx, dou by dou z of Vx. You can check out here also. So this is negative j, and where is other j? Other j is here. Negative j you can take out common. So negative j inside the bracket you will get. If this is negative, then you will get dou by dou x of Vz minus dou by dou z of Vx, right? Plus k bar into bracket you can write dou by dou x of Vy minus dou by dou y of Vx. So ultimately I can say the cross product of operator of differential operator and vector field will be a determinant ijk and its component, and this is called as the curl of the vector, right? So this is a very simple definition. So let us solve a problem based on the curl of the vector only, so that you can understand it well. And so let's go for the problem. So let's go for the problem. Let me rough it right there. Huh? Yes. So first problem based on the curl of the vector is, let us take first the solved problem, which is very simple. One more thing I forgot to explain you, something about it's a physical significance. So if the curl of the vector is equals to 0, that means the field is not curl, like curly hairs. So field is not curl, that means this kind of field is called as irrotational field. Irrotational vector field it is called as irrotational vector field. The same thing is also called as a conservative vector field. This is also called as conservative vector field. Got it? Right? If the curl of the vector is